How to connect TP-Link XC220-G3 AC1200. Alright guys, so here's how you can go about connecting this router. Your first step is to simply unbox and check the components. So inside the box you'll find the router, the power supply or the power adapter, and some cables. Now once you've done that, go ahead and connect your router to power and simply turn it on. So just plug it at the back and hit the power button and it should boot up without any issues. Now once it's done, go ahead and connect it to the internet by connecting your fiber cable to the PON port or your Ethernet cable to the WAN port, that's the wireless area network port, depending on your ISP, that's your internet service provider. Alright, so the fiber users should make use of the PON port, while the modern users should make use of the WAN port. Alright guys, so once you've set up that, all you need to do now is just simply connect your device to the Wi-Fi. So use your phone or laptop to connect to the default Wi-Fi name on the Wi-Fi label. Once you're done there, you can now simply access the router setup page by opening a browser and heading into 192.168.1.1 or the TP-Link Wi-Fi.net to simply start up your Wi-Fi router. Alright, so once that's done, go ahead and configure your internet and Wi-Fi. So follow the setup wizard, enter your internet service provider details if required, and then simply connect or create your Wi-Fi name and password. Alright guys, and boom, it's connected successfully. So just simply run a speed test.